National Teen Driver Safety Week is in full swing, and communities across the country are revving up for a week packed with events, educational programs, and awareness campaigns aimed at keeping young drivers safe on the road. This annual initiative, held from October 20th to 26th this year, has garnered widespread attention as parents, educators, and law enforcement agencies unite to tackle the pressing issue of teen driving safety. With motor vehicle crashes remaining the leading cause of death for teenagers in the United States, National Teen Driver Safety Week serves as a critical reminder of the importance of instilling safe driving habits from an early age. Highlighting this year's celebrations is a series of interactive workshops at local high schools that cover essential topics such as defensive driving techniques, the dangers of distracted and impaired driving, and proper seat belt use. These sessions often feature engaging simulations and testimonials from crash survivors that leave a lasting impact on young attendees. Additionally, social media campaigns have taken off with influencers sharing personal stories and tips using hashtags like #TeenDriverSafetyWeek to reach an even broader audience. The excitement doesn't stop there. Communities are hosting thrilling events like safe driving challenges where teens can test their skills in controlled environments while learning about vehicle safety features firsthand. Local businesses are also joining forces by offering discounts on car maintenance services to ensure that vehicles driven by teenagers are in top shape. As National Teen Driver Safety Week accelerates forward with unwavering enthusiasm, it not only educates but empowers teens to make responsible choices behind the wheel, steering us all towards safer roads ahead.